Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to this video. I'm gonna be just backtesting for like around 5 minutes. I'll put this 5 minute timer right now. Quickly just going over Cameron's ICT model. Um, ICT talks about it a bunch of times on his Twitter Spaces, X Spaces. So basically, this is it. We have a higher time frame, 1 hour draw. We could actually just put this to swing highs or swing lows because that's what really ICT talks about. But obviously, he's really talking about the 1 hour draw. But I do like the swing high and swing lows simplicity. We have 5 minute opposite liquidity run. So basically, we're looking for. I'll show you an example real quick. Right here in my trusty little page right here. So I really like this example right here. So that we had. So we have a draw that's under here, and we have a price going down. We have a 5 minute swing high over here. So we have a 5 minute candle over here, 5 minute candle over here, and then a 5 minute candle going down. We come up and we grab the 5 minute buy side liquidity, we make a fair value gap, we target that, and then we obviously put our stop over here. And we actually are taking oops. We are actually taking one one risk, like $1 risk to 80 cents a reward. So quickly, let's go over some trades. This is all live, by the way. Took a trade right here. This is our draw. Actually, see if I can go over this a little bit. I don't know if I actually got this in the notes. Let's see. And I didn't. All right, so good. Good that we're going over it. So right here. So we have draw up here, and I'll go over the draw. The draw was this swing high, and we also have this swing high over here. So obviously we're going up. So we're going to be targeting swing highs going on the upside. It's pretty simple, pretty simple. Anyone can do it. So we have a swing low right here that gets validated, and then we grab the stops. So right here, we grab the stops, we create a fair value gap, we push up, we come down. I still keep my trades because look at this little squeak of a retracement. Obviously, it can come and take us out, but we have unfinished business to the upside. It could take us out, or it could come and give us our little bit of money. So this is more hindsight, more zoomed in quickly. That's how I do it. Just record my stuff real quick. Just because we're backtesting, man. We're not really going too crazy. So yeah, we're gonna just quickly skip over the price, go in the 1 hour view, see what price is gonna do. Over here, when it gets to like 14, it's basically market open. See where we are in time. We're in 2 minutes. Oops, we skipped market open, but it's fine. Market open. This is yeah, basically wick down. So basically we're looking like we're gonna grab this right here, which is very true. We are gonna grab it. So we're gonna mark this out. Right now we're gonna look for us to grab a swing low. And if we don't grab a swing low, market continues to look like it's projecting up. What we can do is just skip ahead 5 minute candles, see what market does. Market looks like it's going down a little bit. See if it finds some support. Getting close to the next day, so we're just gonna go quickly, go to the next day. I don't really like trading PM session. So now we have market open. I typically don't trade until right here, 14,935 basically. So we're not near any swing highs. We have a swing high that's gonna get formed soon. Well, look right here. So we have a swing high that's super close. So we're gonna go down and we're gonna see if we can grab some buy side right here or sell side. See if we can go down. Nope, we don't go down. So then we continue up. We gotta keep going. See if we got a trade. Go to the next hour. See what we do. See what we do. Next hour. It look like we're could be making a swing. All right, it's cool. So we have 2 hours left of the day. We have our swing that we're trying to actually no, we're gonna be trying to go for this swing actually because much closer, bullish move up. Looks like we're just gonna be going for that. So basically this is the target that we have. And this is a 5-minute swing low. So if we sweep that, I should be looking to go long to over there. And it looks like, sorry guys. I just want to go at least for one example with you guys, but it looks like we're not getting it, but we are figuring out where the price is going, which is the most important part. So then we had a detour right down to the swing one. So we could have waited for this type of draw. So right here, grab this over here would have printed your 1 minute fair value gap. But yeah, let's just keep going. Quickly try and find a trade for you guys. All right, so we skipped over 9 o'clock. This is 10 o'clock now. We skipped over that. So we have this expansive candle. So basically it looks like we're good to go and try and touch for this. You know, I do want it to be just a little bit closer before I even commit. Okay, so this is pretty close. So now if we go and take this, I'm gonna be looking for longs. See if we do take it, see if we do take it. So now we took this swing low. Could be looking for long setups here if our draw has not been met, which it hasn't. So our draw is up here. Delete this one. Print this one over here. Our draw is nice and close. Go to the 1 minute. And by the way, guys, this software is soft for Forex. Pretty weird title, pretty weird name, but it's really good. Recommend. So we're looking for a fair value gap. We have no fair value gaps on this move up, which is pretty suspicious. So we have our first fair value gap right here. And we're going to put it all the way in the 3-bar pattern. And we're going to be looking for a 0.8 risk reward. 79, good enough for me. So we're looking for price to come down and hit back up. All right, so we didn't get into a trade, we got into a loss. That's fine with me. We could actually, well, based on my rules, I'm not gonna trade until the next day, but let me quickly record this and for I can have, you know, my little back testing methodology. Assess liquidity. Boom. Take picture. So I have been getting some pretty good win rates of this. Just looking at this, you could see more W's and O's, which is essential for a risk reward this low. You need a lot of W's. So we're gonna go into the next day. Let's go back to the 1 hour, see a more cleaner view of price action. So it looks like we're grabbing some needed sell side. So we skipped over again 9 o'clock, not on purpose, guys, I swear. But it looks like we're going close over here to grabbing this swing low that we formed. And we can also grab this swing low too. So we can mark this off too. Oops. Mark that, clone it. So now we're looking for a run on internal liquidity. See if we get it. So we made another swing high. So basically still be aiming for this one to come get tested. Another swing high, very faint, but it is a little bit higher. And we do grab that one. So we will go into the markets, see if we can get a 1 minute fair value gap, hopefully with displacement going to the downside. Nope. Oh, okay. We have, looks like we're about to get our fair value gap. We got it. We put this here. We'll put it all the way up here. I don't need it to come up here. Because it'll just stop us out anyways if it comes over there. And we want speed, so let this mark out. All right, we'll still hold this trade and see if when we come back, will we get a move down. While we watch this, I will eat a bite of my banana. Delicious banana. Just looking at the 5 minute, making sure that there's no swing highs are being made. Because if a swing high does get made, we can look for a setup there instead of taking this one. And it looks like No, swing high has not been created. Okay. So it looks like it could get us, we could make form a swing high. Or we could come. Looks like we could. Another reset that timer for another one. All right, so swing high has been created. So we could come and sweep that and look for another long or another short. All right, so we can exit out of this trade. Sorry. Quickly find this. Delete all. So now we're gonna be looking for this outside liquidity. Basically that. And I'll just skip over the price until we come and grab it. Doesn't look like we're gonna grab it. Looks like we're just gonna head towards that draw. So, sometimes you don't get a trade for quite a while, but it's fine because I'd rather not trade all the swings. So we still have a draw that's lower. And if we actually get if we get a bullish move up and taking out this, I would definitely be looking for a nice little short. So we create a new swing high right here. We can look at the 1 minute, see if we come and take it. We should come and take it. We should, for sure. Yep. Okay. So it looks like we're super close to grabbing this next swing high. So we do need to keep that in our minds. I'm sorry, I can't talk right now. Super close. Looks like it double topped almost, basically. And this is gonna be trade we're not looking to get into. Just so close, grabbing liquidity. So now we're gonna be looking for a fair value gap, just like this one, to enter in. And we'll put our stop right here, 0.8. And I'll show you guys the magic of this. So based on the strategy, this should turn out to be a green trade. Should turn out if it comes and enters us in. Or it comes and runs down to our profit target. Let's make sure that no swing highs are being made. And we have another swing high that's being made right now. So another swing high that's being made right here. So we can see if we get a sweep of that. Nope. Looks like we're gonna keep going down. And it's okay, guys, because sometimes you won't get a trade. And it's just supposed to be like that. You're supposed to not get a trade sometimes. So it looks like we have a little swing high right here. Super minuscule, but we will try and look for a setup because our draw is right there. So it just makes sense, right? If our draw is close, it should grab some liquidity. It should try and leave from that liquidity fast. And it should print a profitable setup. And we'll just enter in a market order right now. Put our stop for a take profit right here, stop right here. Take profit is 0.8. Why am I doing 0.8? It's just what Cameron's doing right now. If you don't know who Cameron is, it's ICT's son. So 0.7, too lazy to try and figure it out. See if we can get into a short, and it should print out into our favor. Yep. Okay, so finally we got into a short, and I'll actually cut this video down right now. Because I didn't want to drag on, for so long, but I think you guys get the point. And if you don't, basically look for a downtrend, look for your swing low, wait for the 5-minute break, buy side liquidity be ran, and then look for a fair value gap targeting 0.8. It's not that hard, guys. I bet you guys can do it. It's a very easy strategy. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.